Okay, so hear me out. I have been making for going on 5 years now with my handmade business. And today I wanted to go through and share with you all of my top picks for suppliers and not just the supplier itself, but the number one thing that I buy from them. It can be super challenging when you're getting started to figure out like who is reputable and where the best source and best pricing is. And I thought that by filming this video today, it would be of great value to those of you who plan on starting a handmade business early next year or upcoming in the year of 2026. Now, typically, I would write all of my notes in my purple notebook. If you are an OG fan, you know I love my purple notebook so much. I love the way that the paper feels, and I love how it's like crinkly after I write on it. But I can't find it. I think that I left it praying, that I left it on my desk at school, which means I am sans notebook for the weekend. So I am going to have to do the notes app notes, which I don't particularly care for. But it's just not my style. But anyway, it is what it is. We're here. I have a moment to film, so I'm going to make the most of it. Also, I'm batch filming today, so I'm pretty sure I've been wearing the same outfit in about 4 videos now, and it is my Hocus Pocus sweatshirt, so don't mind me covering it up, as we're probably, by the time you see this, approaching or passing Thanksgiving. It is prior to Halloween when I am filming this. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, something else that I'll say is I don't see a lot of people post these types of videos, and I'm not sure if it's like a self-preservation thing or it's just something that people aren't interested in. I don't know exactly what it is, but here I am and I'm sharing it all with you today. That is my mission here at the Strategy Studio, to be the ultimate resource or hub for mentoring handmade business owners that are part-time. They're not interested in quitting their day job. My name is Sarah, by the way. You have kids. I have three. So you don't want to give up your nights and weekends. You want to make all of those sports games without giving up on your passion for making products and giving and, selling them to others. That's kind of my whole vibe here. So if that sounds like something you would enjoy, I would definitely recommend subscribing. I post those types of videos, super valuable for you. I don't want to waste your time. We're part-time makers. We have less than 5 hours a week to run our business, right? And measure it in our way of success. So that's why I'm posting this video. And again, I hope other people like take me up on this kind of topic, because I would love to hear other people's point of view from this, but I don't know. I'm just not seeing them. Maybe I'm not looking in the right place, but I just thought that it would be a super helpful resource for someone that may be starting out. So here we go. The place where I spend most of my maker dollars for my handmade business, that is Makesy. I absolutely love Makesy. However, I will say they do take some time to ship. Hopefully, I think that at one point they were like trying to get a second warehouse type situation going, or maybe I'm confusing that with candle signs. I can't recall. But they do have really great customer service. They have a great like way that you can resell things that you buy from them. It's called the Stash. It's on their actual like Makesy.com website. They also have a really great system for earning points and turning those points into money off of future purchases, which I have always been a huge fan of. I'm a huge advocate for saving money where you can, and I will share every way that I know of to save money at any of these suppliers. So listen closely for those. But I just truly do love Makesy. I think that they are the highest level of supplier. I never have to question if something that I'm getting from them is good. It's always great. I never have to wonder about the quality. And I will say with that quality does come a little bit higher of a price tag, but they quite often have really good sales. Whether it's like a specific type of product, like 20% off of their aura vessels or candle vessels, right? Or a blanket sale for their whole website. Or sometimes they do sales on their candle waxes. Like, they have a really great system. They offer things at discounts rather frequently, in my opinion, frequently enough, especially if you're a part-time business owner like myself. So there's no reason that you wouldn't be able to save money while ordering there while still earning the rewards and getting that high quality item. Something else that I've noticed that I really love about Mixie is though their price tags are a little bit higher, I do feel that they take customer reviews and I don't want to say criticisms, but like customer comments or suggestions. The word I'm looking for is suggestions. I do feel like they take customer suggestions seriously. I have personally been using their Ara vessels, their 8-ounce Ara vessels, since I was like an infant in handmade business ownership, right? So I've been using it for a ton of years, and they have constantly improved the design of those Ara vessels. So yes, the price of a case has gone up. However, they have, since I started ordering them, and that was, I don't know, however long ago, they have changed the way the bottom of it is to fit a bigger size warning label. They have put gaskets on their lid, which may not sound like a big deal to you, but if you have ever had an event with your R vessels as the candle, the sound that the lid makes when it clanks against the ceramic of the vessel, it just like, it's a specific sound. I'll never forget that sound, but now they have gaskets on them. So it's nice. It fits snugly. It's tight. It's just like an overall really nice improvement that they have made to the quality of one of their best selling items. And I absolutely love it. The number one thing that I buy from them is their cocoa apricot creme wax. I have tested 4 or 5 different cocoa apricot creme waxes from different suppliers, and Mixie's is my number one favorite, hands down. Like I said, I've tested them from several different suppliers, and I love Mixie's the most. It's just the smoothest. It requires the least amount of work. It's not fickle. You don't have to have the heat gun on it after the candle is made. It's just very beautiful. It's very evenly distributing of the fragrance oil, just an overall super nice wax. Okay. Next up, I do love a good order from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Wholesale Supplies Plus is a fabulous place to get your raw ingredients. And I say that because they offer free shipping over $25. They have a great variety of different oils or raw ingredients, whatever it is you're looking for. They have a really great. I cannot emphasize enough how great of a diverse selection of raw ingredients they have. So that's pretty awesome. The free shipping can't get any better than that. I don't see a lot of coupons coming from Wholesale Supplies Plus, but they do often have like selected items on sale. I think there's a rotation, but I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure there is a rotation that they follow. But like if you sign up for their emails, you'll get emails each week telling you what things are on sale. Like sometimes packaging will go on sale. Sometimes mica colors will go on sale. Sometimes all butters or bases or whatever will go on sale. I used to purchase their lotion base, and I no longer do because I have formulated my own, and I have a recipe card for my macadamia nut oil body lotion in the Formulator's Vault, which is a digital vault of resources for handmade business owners like yourself. It's down in the description box below. I'll link it. I think it's $29 right now. I'm adding more resources to it as often as I can. So eventually the price will go up, but I'm pretty sure at the time of posting the cost is still $29. It's just really great. It has a ton of different folders in it with a bunch of different resources in it. Again, a true place where you could get a lot of value as a handmade business owner, especially if you're just starting out or you're kind of like part-time and really trying to figure out the best bang for your time, if you will, instead of bang for your buck, the best bang for your time, if you will. The product that I buy the most from Wholesale Supplies Plus is their mica powders and their shea butter. Their shea butter, I just love it. I don't know what it is. I just really do love it. And then second to those items is their 8-ounce Boston round lotion bottles. I will say I don't like their pumps that they have that are threaded the same as that bottle. I purchased my pumps elsewhere. I had a couple of bad run-ins with the pumps that they offer, but it has been a while since I gave them a try, so that could have changed. And if you have ordered the pumps recently and find my opinion to be different than yours, please let me know down below. I would love to get them all at the same place than like buying this one thing from this supplier and this one thing from a different one. So if you notice that they had changed their pumps, like please let us all know because we would forever be grateful for that. Yeah, highly recommend Wholesale Supplies Plus. The only other thing I will say about them is some of their fragrance oils are extremely like potent and some of them totally disappear. So make sure if you purchase fragrance oil, you are doing your own testing because each fragrance oil's potency is vastly different. Okay. Next up, we have Candle Science. Candle Science, I go back and forth about whether or not I buy from them. I love buying from them because they are super, super close to where I live. They have a warehouse in North Carolina, and I don't live in North Carolina, but I live close enough. So typically, if I order something, I can get it like not the next day, but the day after. So it is very quick shipping for me personally. And I think they have a second warehouse that's like Texas area, maybe. This is like the North Carolina one is their second warehouse. I know that. So that's really great. It's very fast. Their shipping is super expensive, but I really do like the products that they offer. My favorite thing to order from there is the 3-wick candle jar. It just kind of looks like this. This is leftover from my fall collection. This is what it looks like. It's super beautiful. Love this candle, by the way. If I do say so myself. It is such a great vessel. It was super popular. They have a ton of colors. They have other vessels too. It's just that that one is my favorite. And then one fragrance oil that I really love from them is Fresh Cut Grass because I love it. It is amazing. And when you go to plan your summer, hold on, okay, I'm gonna have to pick up the pace a little bit. That was my husband calling to tell me he's on the way home and we are going to a baby shower. So I need to pick up the pace. One other thing I'll say about Candle Science is that when I ordered these vessels, some of them arrived broken and they replaced an entire case. Only 5 were broken and they sent me an entire new case. So they have really great customer service and the process for reporting the broken or damaged items was extremely easy. They have like a whole interface on their website, which was really nice. That Fresh Cut Grass, like I was saying, I'm pretty sure I stopped mid-sentence. When you plan your summer collection, you need to make a candle that is a blend of like a sea minerals type with that fresh cut grass. Last time I did that, it sold out at the first event that I took it to. It was absolutely amazing. Then we have Brambleberry. I don't typically order a lot from Brambleberry. And really, honestly, I only order this one thing, and that is rose water. I have no qualms with Brambleberry. I have no problems with them. I very much so enjoyed ordering from them in the past. It's just kind of the way things have worked out. I prefer to order my raw ingredients from, like a Wholesale Supplies Plus. But if you're getting started into soap making, what you can order that I loved was the Lots of Lather Quick Mix. Any of their quick mixes for cold presses soap are absolutely amazing. Then, oh, geez, I don't think I'm going to finish. I get 99% of my labels from online labels. Fragrance to You, their best fragrance oil, hands down, is Dune Grass. I absolutely love them as a fragrance supplier. They are newer to the game, but they put out some truly unique and extremely potent fragrance oils at a really great price. Simbi is my other top pick for a fragrance oil supplier, and I'm a Simbi stan. Y'all already know that. But my top favorite fragrance oil from them is Top Shelf Speakeasy, and right behind that is White Cashmere. Those are such beautiful fragrances, and I really think that they have a 5-star customer service experience. And Melissa, the owner, ships extremely quickly. Definitely check those 2 fragrance oil suppliers out if you are looking for like more fragrance oils. Then, okay, I've got 2 more. We're going to make it through this video. I typically don't order from Amazon, and that is because I don't know that you can always trust the quality of things that you order from Amazon. And also, I prefer to support other small businesses instead of supporting a conglomerate, right? Like Amazon. No offense, but they're so rich, they're not offended. But what I do order there, because I find it's the best value and I did like vet the supplier, it is a small business that just distributes through Amazon. I order my macadamia nut oil from Amazon and my jojoba oil from Amazon because they have a really great price and it still is coming from a small business and you can get it super quickly. So those are the 2 things that I order from Amazon. I'm pretty sure that's it, unless I'm in a pinch, but yeah, otherwise I don't typically order from Amazon. And then finally, I'm sorry, I know the end of this video is absolutely rushed, but I order all of my wrapping paper that I use use for various packaging purposes my rosewater soaps, my blind book bundles, anything that I am wrapping. I order the wrapping paper from Society 6. Wait until it goes on sale if that is something that you are looking for, because it is expensive. But if you find it on sale, then it's much more affordable. You can also like just search up whatever you're looking for and guarantee that you find it. I have found tons of super great wrapping papers from there, and it's awesome because I can also use the wrapping paper as wrapping paper for like gifts if needed, right? So it's just overall a really great place that I love to get my wrapping paper from, and it's super thick like paper, so it is, in my opinion at least, worth the price that I'm paying for it. And yeah, I think that's all of the suppliers that I have for today. And like I said, I know there are more suppliers. I also love Midwest. Flaming Candle's cool too. I really like their reed diffuser base, but it's just, hard to, but those other suppliers just aren't who I'm picturing as my top picks. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't frequently order from them, though I do order from them, if that makes sense. Midwest is really cool. They have really great fragrance oils, and I love their husband wife team. And they're awesome. So yeah, I really like them as well. But if I did mention a supplier that you love, please let us know in the comments below. We are a community here. We are here to grow in our part-time successes together as one community. And I need to go and iron my husband's clothes before this baby shower. So I have to end it there, but I will see you next week. Definitely hit subscribe and check out the Formulators Vault if you want more information on how to grow your handmade business. Okay. I'll see you next week. Bye.